Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tot Teaches Math. Well, today we're going to learn how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. It's super simple, super easy, so let's get started. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter means the distance all the way around a shape. Now think of it like walking around a field or a backyard and you're measuring like the outside edges. So that's how I try to think of it. Just walking out on the outside of the edge of a shape. Okay, so for a rectangle, the opposite sides are the same length. Okay, the opposite sides. So the perimeter formula is going to be length plus width plus length plus width. Or 2 times length plus width. And we're going to go over both of those. Okay? Now, either way it works. Now, for my example here, suppose the length is 5 units and the width is 3 units. So, what we'll do here, since 5 is the length, we'll say 5 plus the width is 3, and then we'll repeat. 5 plus 3. Okay? Now we're going to add those together. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that would be 16 units. Okay? So the perimeter of this rectangle is 16 units. Now, if we do the other perimeter formula, which is 2 times 5, which is the length, plus 3, which is the width. So, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 times 3 is 6, which equals 16. So, you have 2 different ways that you can find perimeter, but it's all the same. And you will get the exact same answer. So this is how we find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay? So remember, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, add up all the sides, or you could use the 2 times length plus height. Easy peasy. Thanks for learning with me today on Tot Teaches Math. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun math videos. See you next time.